What's up everybody, this is Travis with ATTY. Today I'm going to show you how to install the ADV kit, aka the all-day vape kit, to the iJOY Avenger tank. First thing you want to do is twist your top cap and your bottom piece counterclockwise, remove your glass, and you'll see that we included a couple of installation O-rings. I don't think these are really needed. You can be the judge. The original ones may be a little loose, maybe not. It's just your preference. The next thing you want to do is just take your stainless steel rings that we provide. You'll see that one side has a protruding little lip. You'll place that against the bottom original O-rings on the device, and then you'll take your glass piece and your other stainless steel ring and place them on top of that. And at that point you'll just take the top cap, stick the chimney down to the coil head, and start spinning clockwise. Once you have the device tightened, you're good to go. Thanks for checking out our channel. Our website is www.inkdaddy.com. Link in the description. Leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.